This system of having these beds in here, we started doing it after we stopped tilling. Because you don't have the requirement of having to bring the two-wheel tractor into the house, then we can have the step that's higher to stop the voles. We can section up the drip tape, use really high quality drip tape, and we can really keep production up because we don't have to wait, because you're not going to be able to get a center bed on 150 feet and come in here with a two-wheel tractor, get it in there, and turn that bed over. It's not going to happen. And if you're doing raised beds, then it's a whole nother level of problem. Now you have to take everything out. All the stakes, all the drip, the overhead, just clear the house out so that you can come in here and redo everything, which I think would be sort of a nightmare to have to do. We're just ready to go all the time. You can combine the two. You can be using the BCS in the field, do it no-till in the house. And maybe you get so psyched about no-till, you're like, screw it. Let's move it to the field. And that's what I did. I started in the house because of the requirements of what you need to do to get a BCS in here, especially in the middle of winter, because your sides aren't going to roll up in the winter with the snow, so you can't turn on gasoline engine.